All right, it is now day 2, still in Santa Monica. It's our last day in this area, and I figured today I'm going to start out with Exodus 14:14, which says, can you read that? I don't know. It says, "The Lord will fight for you, and you have only to be silent." That was a verse that we heard yesterday at church. We went to Lighthouse Church here in Santa Monica. It was pretty cool. Just found it online. Just wanted to find a local church to go to on Sunday, and yeah, they shared that verse, which was really cool. And it's just pretty awesome because the Lord will fight battles for us, and He is doing that all the time. And we just have to let Him. So it's pretty cool. Not sure what we have planned today. I think we're gonna go down and see the ocean finally. Been here basically 2 days and didn't go down there yet, so we're gonna do that. Hopefully ride some bikes on the boardwalk down there. I think they call it a boardwalk. It's like a bike path trail or something along the ocean. And yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll bring the GoPro along for that. I forgot the GoPro yesterday when we were up at the Getty Center, but that's okay. I got pictures of my phone. It's good enough. Wasn't really much to take video of up there anyways, so worked out okay. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna do next today, but tomorrow we got a long-ish drive up to Visalia, so just kind of enjoy our time here today and just see what we can find. There's lots of planes that fly over here all the time. I was hanging out here last night and they just keep going non-stop all night. Alright, we were down here and I think it's called Palisade Park, right? Yeah, there's a bunch of palm trees. It's awesome.
That's like in that song.
What?
Down at Palisade Park.
Oh yeah, I don't know if I was considering this one or not, or talking about this one, but I don't know. Let's walk around. This is a super cool park right on the cliffside in Santa Monica. It's a mighty truck. That thing's so funny, that little truck.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all the little squirrels. They're tiny, what the heck? They're like baby squirrels. Oh my gosh, there's hundreds of them. Wow. And that's where we're headed next, down to the Santa Monica Pier. Hey, there's that trail. Cool. There's that path that we can go on the bikes on. Here you can see that path that we can bike on down there, and the pier, of course. There's the Georgian Hotel over there. I wanted to get some video and pictures of that. I think it looks really cool. Oh, there's like a footpath here. That's pretty cool. Oh, there you go. Let me go that way. Hey, squirrel buddies. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Pretty cool. Reminds me of the batteries we visited in San Francisco a couple years ago. Look at these palm trees. Dang. Love palm trees. There's that Georgian hotel that looks really cool. Yeah, it looks awesome, doesn't it? There's the end of Route 66 again, right at the end of the pier. I think this street here is called Ocean Avenue, if I remember correctly. It's like that Yellow Card song. Oh yeah, a nice little gravel path. That's cool. Sleeping in the park. My gosh, I've never seen so many squirrels in my life. That looks like quite the traffic jam up there. Alright, we are at the 3rd Street Promenade. We planned this out so well, it's not even open. It's too early, and it turns out it's closed Mondays and Tuesdays or something like that. So we're here and it is basically empty, which is really cool. We don't necessarily want to shop down here anyways, so this is totally fine. Oh hey Josh, there's another sunglasses store. He still hasn't bought sunglasses yet. Ooh, what's this? We still gotta find you a library to visit.
Yeah.
What is this even for? In memory of something?
Different people donated money, I guess. Here's a metal sandwich.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Oh, these are lights up here. They change colors. Huh.
That's cool. I bet
Yeah.
that looks cool at night.
Yeah, it probably does. Why'd they leave them on during the daytime? It seems like a waste of energy.
Yeah.
There's another Tesla building. There's so many Tesla buildings down here. Paxson, they're still around? What? There's a PacSun store. I didn't even know that was still a thing.
Really, it is down here.
Oh, Josh, there's a fine ice cream place there. McDonald's. Josh, right there. Yeah, ice cream place. They ain't open yet though. Probably not at all today because we came here on the wrong day.
No, we're open.
We found another multi-level shopping mall. This time in Santa Monica. Huh. Should we just walk over this way? I don't know.
Yeah.
It says Pier and Beach Access. That's where we want to go. There's Louis Vuitton. It's way too fancy for us. Hey, look at that. There's a store called Boss. I bet that's just like Ross Dressed for Less.
That purse probably costs like $10,000.
Yeah, probably. I like how they use giant thumbtacks as some sort of advertisement. What a fancy place. These are some funky looking trees.
That's like a year's salary right there, probably for all of us.
Hmm? Josh, do you want to spend your yearly salary on a purse?
That's what I just said. It's like a year's salary.
I thought that's what you said.
Yeah.
The future of mobility has arrived. VinFast, is that a brand? What in the world is that? I've never heard of this before. It must be electric because it's got that weird charge port thingy. Why do I feel like this is like Chinese or something?
What that probably looks like it.
I've never heard of that before. Huh. Weird. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a really cool mural over there on the building. And now we are here yet again at the Santa Monica Pier. Although this is Karuna's first time here. Alright, let's go check it out. Yeah. You know what? I bet the ocean is freezing cold right now too.
Probably.
Yeah. Yeah, which of the Great Lakes is this? Is this Lake Pacific? No, you know what I bet this is? This is the mighty Mississippi.
Ah, there you go. That makes sense.
Pier must be opening. All the trucks are coming down here. Hello, Pigeon Brother. really low.
Yeah,
It's like barely above the water. I wonder if he's looking for fish.
probably.
That's cool. So we were out here, Santa Monica Pier, and we got some bikes to rent. How cool is this? Not gonna lie, these things are kind of hoopties, but they're pretty cool.
Yeah.
You pedal backwards to brake. They have no brake levers. It's pretty old school. But yeah, we're gonna go ride around on these bikes here, and mine's barely standing upright. Oh, there goes the handlebars. All right, you ready? All right, let's go. I guess the path goes like 20 miles to the left. We got to ride on the road for some of it, so we're not going to do that. And it goes like 3.5 miles to the right. So we're just going to kind of bum around and see what we can find here. Nobody coming. All right. Where'd Josh go? Oh, he had to wait. I must say my knees are very like crunched on here because I'm sitting so low. But at least the seat is extremely comfortable. Yeah. Right? Oh, really? Oh, yeah, that's right. Hey, isn't this Muscle Beach? Yeah, this is Muscle Beach, isn't it? Or at least part of it. I think there's like a couple of them. What? Whoa. Dang. Yeah, that takes some hand-eye coordination there. You see that?
YouTube.
Huh.
Nice and flat. It's nice and easy.
Yeah, I know. These things actually have pretty good gearing for only having one gear.
I like how they have the split pedestrians and bikes.
Yeah.
People walking into you.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Could use a path like this back home.
What?
Could use a path like this back home, that'd be cool.
The brakes are really weird to get used to.
Yeah, they're like, no, really. Right? Oh, hey, look, isn't this one of those like canal things that comes out from like, I don't know, Venice Beach area? Maybe, I'm not really sure. I have no idea where we are. I feel like Venice Beach is like way up yet, I'm not sure. Oh, Venice Boardwalk. Is that where we are? I guess so. There's probably a ton of wind noise on the GoPro. Oh well. for a second. Check out this old bus. Dang, look at that thing. It's awesome. Alright, we can go. I had to get a video of that bus and a picture. Look at all those surfboards, goodness. Dang, that's so cool. Surf lessons. Not today, Batman. It's like the coolest bike path I've ever been on. I was really bummed because last year when we went to New Orleans, I couldn't rent the electric bikes because my phone didn't work with them. Well, these are better anyways. This is way cooler. Lieutenant Dan ice cream. Supposed to go that way? I don't know. No, looks like it goes this way. Big bump.
Floor on the sand here.
Yeah, I know, right?
Don't wanna.
These tires don't look like they got the most traction. I'm riding one-handed too. Is like probably not the best idea, but oh well. Good thing we opted out of wearing the helmets.
Yeah. We cracked the sandal catches, right?
I got a hat. That's basically a helmet, right?
I'm falling on the sand.
Yep. Venice Sweets.
their tires.
Huh? Oh, jeez. There's no traction at all. Alright. Oh. I almost dropped the bike. Alright. Let's continue on. Ready? Huh? I don't know what those are supposed to be. Huh?
Didn't want to pull in front of that guy, that's why I stopped.
Oh, yeah. Wow. I don't know what that is. Yeah. There goes the roller coaster. Where'd she go? We can go through the tunnel. Well, I don't know where they went, but I want to go through the tunnel. So this is exactly where I'm gonna go. There's glass back there, that's nice. Where the heck did they go? Huh. We found Josh. No idea where Karina went. She's just flying up there. Oh, look at the car meet here. They got the G boys. Look at these houses, what in the world? I like the spiral staircases, that's kind of cool. we decided to ride the Pacific Park Ferris wheel. Oh, this is awesome. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So it's a recreation of a Roman villa. Or villa. Nice. Can't really see it from here though. The Fleischmann Theater. Where'd Josh go? He just disappeared. Whoa. Yeah, it is.
I'm walking that way.
Are you?
Smart.
Oh, I'm just gonna go with this way. You going? Oh, nice. There's like nobody even down here. Nice. What part of Roman architecture is